shares of Trump Link SPAC, the package around the investment, making public company based on the social media for President Trump, former President Trump, called Truth Social, made a killing in the market today. From $9 to $52, and even after hours, as I'm making this video, it's still going 25% green. So I'm going to cover something that happened today in this video, which is actually linked to something that also happened with AMC back in January. And going back to the New York Stock Exchange new rule, on the 2-day halt, right? Because when this new rule from the New York Stock Exchange came out, people went nuts and said that's going to kill the MOAS. So what we saw today actually means AMC, it's pretty much not dead, all right? And if that happened with DWAC stock, definitely is going to happen with AMC if we see this thing changing. So let's get into this. If you haven't heard, guys, the most trending stock today, it's DWAC. Look at the chart. Going from opening at 12, went all the way to $52. And look, after hours, it's up almost $12 a share, more than 26%. What is happening here? Well, people are buying. People are buying the stock because they love the stock. Remind you of something that happened back in January and is still happening. But guess what is the actual difference between the similarity between the two? Buys of orders for DWAC, the so-called SPAC company set up to raise capital in the public markets to purchase private firms, outnumbered sell orders by nearly 3-1 on Fidelity's platform. Again, reminds you of something with AMC, buy orders 3 times the amount of orders for people selling. By afternoon trading, more than 360 million shares of DWAC had already changed hands. Remind you of something that happened with AMC, or tend to happen with AMC on big days. All right. So looking back at the chart, and this is precisely something I want you to pay attention to, because this was halted multiple times during the day. It was halted first here when it came back down from the 26. Look closely. It was halted, I think, 3 to 4 times. But anytime it got halted, it was on the way down. And when it got halted on the way down, boom, it gave the opportunity for more people to actually get in and get the orders filled and riding the wave higher, all right? And then it got halted again here, boom. Went higher, got halted again here. People thought, oh, it's going down, it's pump and dump. Boom, went all the way higher again. Got halted again around 43.10, and then boom, went all the way up again. So just to say that with the New York Stock Exchange 2 days or more halted rule, people think, or people thought that this is gonna definitely kill the MOAS. But I used an image which that happened today with DWC is actually proving my point, because if you have orders coming in and just flooding the gates of the brokerage firms, all right, it doesn't matter if you halt it. As a matter of fact, when you halt it, it makes the pressure even higher, all right? Think of it like a water gate. If the water is coming on like hard upstream, you close the water gate down here. Because you closed it, it's not preventing or stopping people from still sending the pressure, all right? Now, whenever you open it, boom, it's going to explode every single thing. So with the 2 days halt, the exact same thing that we are seeing here, or we saw today with DWAC, I presume it's going to be the exact same thing we're going to see when AMC is actually on the rise to cause the short squeeze and go to the actual moon. So that's to say, the volume that we lack now on AMC is actually the one we are seeing going through the dark pools. But this is just for a time, all right? Because they're not going to sustain that, indefinitely. So with everything that's happening behind the scenes, it's going to be when the time comes, what we've seen here with DWC is going to be the exact same thing as I mentioned earlier. So just to say, people, please chill a little bit. be a little more patient with AMC. It's going to do what it's supposed to do in due time.